Greetings to all South Africans. On this video, we are going to talk about the luxurious life versus the extremely poor conditions of South Africans. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Fellow South Africans, it is of no excuse or any justification on South Africans that are living on such extreme and poor conditions that they cannot even afford a loaf of bread of 15 rand. And then you see somebody living in a mansion of a house with luxurious cars, even the toy cars. And then you ask yourself, are these people coming from the same country? And then worst of them all, when you come and make it point, you find that some people like Maumela is related to the president of the country. And the worst part is that after all the media statement and exposure, we're still trying to find out the real physical or the image of the man called Maumela. What is there to be hidden? And then you have the cartels. And then out of that, we already established that we have the big fight. And on that, you still have the situation where the people like Katie Molefe are given continuous bail under such atrocious and bad habits or actions in South Africa. Is this an animal farm? Are other animals more polite, more explicit, more favored than the other? Are ordinary South Africans just the weapons or the material of voting or giving power to people with a promise of Roma was not built in one day? But at the end of the day, for other people, Roma is built immediately, and then there is a possible justification to say they worked hard. Now, the law system of South Africa, why is it taking so long to come into dealing with bad habits of people to such an extent that you find it's like a line of protecting or defending each other? Are South Africans being punished by being good citizens, and will they be able to tolerate the situation as it is? Will they be able to say it is fine, some other time to come things will come better, let us hold on, let us go on like this, when some other people are not as tolerant to the situation? Are we not going to see poor people waking up the following day and said, now if it cannot be good for us, let the whole country come to a standstill? And then everybody start blaming them, whereas they are sitting in the world of comfort. Do they know how it is to wake up in the morning and then you don't have a bread on a table? You have nothing to eat. When they be going all around choosing where they're gonna live, what they're gonna eat, where they're gonna sleep, choosing the option when you don't have an option at all. You wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock, you cannot see anything better. You don't have a day. You have nothing to say, okay, I'll be there and then I'll be there. Your day is just like that, empty. Do they know how it is for somebody to wake up like that, and then that same person must be told that, no, don't worry, things will be right? Why are our fellow people are doing this to us? Is it correct what P.W. Botha once they said, you must give black people to govern, you're gonna see they will fail to govern themselves? Is it justifiable why the ordinary South Africans do not trust politicians? And why are our fellow blacks so inhuman to us? What more must we do for them to understand that we need a better life? What is there more for ordinary citizens to do? People are living beyond poverty line. And then you see people living so much luxurious life, as we have seen with the Maumela and the Sibia of this world. But they still, with protection of the politicians and all, they will still feel like people must believe that one day things gonna come right. Is it justifiable for people to lose trust in politicians as millions of South Africans have decided they will never gonna vote anymore? How many more are people that are living luxurious life to the situation of what we have seen about the Lamborghinis, that will still want poor people to understand that one day, the one day that we don't know, that will come when they're gonna get a better life? How is that day gonna come? Is it justifiable?